Hi everyone, so this video tutorial will be guide you on how to stake the Wall Street Games token or the WSG. So Wall Street Games is a next generation hybrid blockchain-based online gaming platform where players battle each other in fun simple games for rewards and cryptocurrencies. So two players test their skill in various games, and there is always a winner and a loser. So the players select a specific game, deposit tokens of their choice, and battle to win the bet. So as a disclaimer, so no gambling will ever be involved on this platform. All games are skill-based games. So currently, the price of the Wall Street Games token is 0.0000017 in USDT, so 7 zeros right now, and it has almost 1 quadrillion max supply. So how to stake the WSG token? So first, go to stake WSG.gg. So if you have already a MetaMask account, just deposit your WSG token on your MetaMask account. So like me, I have already a WSG token, 12,000 WSG token. So once you have your WSG token on MetaMask wallet, so you can go to the staking website, stake.wsg.gg, then click the connect wallet and select MetaMask. So once your wallet is already connected on the staking website, so just click the details. Then first you will see here the approve button. So right now I have the deposit and withdraw button because I already staked some WSG while ago. So first you will see the approve button here. So just click the approve button, then confirm it. So once you confirm it, so you can click now the deposit button. So just click this deposit button and stake. So the stake your WSG token depends on your how many tokens you want to stake. So right now I will stake all of this token. So I will click the max button, then click the deposit. So just wait on the confirmation on MetaMask wallet, then confirm, then just wait for blockchain confirmation. So that's it. The staking was already success. So your WSG was already staked on the staking platform of Wall Street Games. So as you can see, the staking has 52.58% APR. So it is a high APR compared on the other crypto assets, which only give us some like 6%, 10%. So one of the best staking features of the WSG staking is you can claim it every time, anytime. So just click the claim button, then confirm, and just wait on the blockchain confirmation again. So as you can see here on my MetaMask wallet, so I have already claimed the rewards of my staking, the mistake assets. So I've already claimed the 23 WSG token. So if you want to withdraw it, you can just click the withdraw button. So withdraw button means you will withdraw all your claim, all your rewards and your stake WSG token. So that's it guys. So if you have a question and inquiries regarding the staking of the WSG, just comment here